Folks, we hope you're enjoying your day. We are here at Landers Ford in Collierville, and Don, we have the winning play when it comes to the perfect tailgate vehicle.
We really do, Tom. We've got the Built Ford Tough 2015 F-150 for up to $11,000 off or 0% financing for 60 months.
Think about that, truck buyers, up to 11 grand off right now at Landers Ford in Collierville. Call that number right there on the screen. We could save you a lot of money. Then hurry in right here to Landers Ford. If it doesn't say Landers,
You paid too much.